Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, we got ourselves a mail call. This is an international mail call. Let's go see what is in here. Hang on. Alright guys. It says stickers are under shipping label, so I very carefully cut the label open here, and underneath here I'll pull it out. Hopefully you can see this, guys. Let's get you around here. It's kind of hard to hold, you guys. There we go. There's what we're looking for. Everett's Workshop. Look at that. Sweet. Check him out, guys. I'll leave a link below. Down there. Great guy. Excellent channel. You gotta check him out. Everett's Workshop. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, let me finish peeling. Carefully cutting. Be right back. Alright folks, we're back. Here it is. Let's see what's in here. Don't know. Oh wow. He sent me some drill bits, guys. Now that is awesome. A stubby. 1732. Stubby. 1732. Quarter-inch. Very, very well packed. Good job, Everett. Nice. Very nice drill bits. Oh, I can really use these. Some smaller stuff. Very cool. Oh wow. Right up to the 5/8. Look at that. Yeah, and a nice 5/8. There's another 5/8. Very nice. Thank you, Everett. Thank you so very much. We've got some little ones. Got some little ones. That's going to be nice. Nice stuff, Everett. Thank you so much. Really nice. Alright, I'm going to leave a link for Everett down below. Check his channel out. Definitely check Everett out. Alright. Thank you so much, Everett. Alright, take it easy, guys. Love y'all. Bye-bye.